Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you the PDM system for administrator in our team. So to run this program, we need an empty folder as a workspace. So we double click the PDM ADM and now it will ask you to put base saving, which is all the SolidWorks parts you send to your team members. So we put it in base, put all of them, and then put incremental saving, which means the submission pack from your team member, and their pack's name should be their ID. And then let's copy all of them, make sure everything is included, and now confirm it. Type in the ID of this folder, or say their ID, and now is initialized. Now we could check by file. We could it will list all the files it has changed. It will show you the status, type, whether it's added or it's a new file, and the file's name. You could select the file you want, or just use -1 to select all. Enter end. Okay, and now it said the file selected is all of them, and please check it. How to check it? We go result folder, and we check the assembly, rebuild. Okay, I think it works fine. Looks good. And let me see, base. Good. And then after because it will rebuild the assembly, right? So just make sure you save it. And then okay, I think it's passed. So pass, and gave them a comment. Pass. Okay. If you want to check the files you've already checked, you could just use show list, and it will show all the files you've checked and give you the comments and status. For example, I think undo the check for this bracket. I'll just undo, and you could select it. Select the file you want to undo. Bracket, and I would type in the number above it, and that's it. And now if we show list, it will says this is unchecked and there's no comments on it. And I could check it again Now it will only show the file that is unchecked. Of course, now we could select 3 and then check it again. Result, assemble. Okay, so okay, good. And I'll say pass. Good. Okay, now show list. It's all passed, and I think I could finish a save check and exit. That means I pause. This person's submission is not fully finished, so we could save it right now and just pause it. Okay, then it will be saved. And so when next time you start it again, you need to type in the ID. Make sure the file is not changed, right? and re-enter the ID because you need to record whose file you're checking. And then if you show list, yes, it will show the previous checked files. It was already saved. And if you think I finished check this guy's file, this guy's submission, everything is passed, it's all good, and I could start another guy's submission. You could use option 4, finish and exit. It will generate a report with its ID. It's actually a txt file, so you will see here we have its ID, the file is submit, status is pass or unpass, and the comments on it. Good. Okay, you could save this as feedback or just simply record. And now it's initialized the base for you. So what you need to do is to delete all of this, and for example, this is another guy's submission, and you copy it. You copy this inside. Copy this to here, and you start at the main. And because it's already initialized, so you just type the ID of this guy, which is this thing. Okay, so show list. Yep, now we have the file the other guy has changed, and status, comments, and we'll do the same thing. Just check the file, and if you want to pause the checking, we use save check and exit, so that you could when you come back, you could recover your progress. And when you finish this guy's checking, you just finish and exit. I'll say, for example, we select all, and they are all not passed, so unpass, and finish and exit, and it will generate another report for you. Txt should be txt. Yes, here is all unpass with comments. And what's our result? Result is, so we could save the result file as our week 2 result. Okay, week 2 result. Okay, so that's the merge version, or say the combination of all team members' contribution. And now we could also remember to save those reports, and now we're good to go. Thank you for listening.